Today's video is about DIY green tea toner that will help you to get rid of skin problems caused by sun exposure. This toner treats open pores, acne scars, blemishes, uneven skin, pigmentation, and premature aging. To prepare DIY green tea toner, you need 1 tea bag of green tea. Green tea has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that cure skin inflammation, remove dark spots and dullness, and improve your skin complexion. Half cup of rose water. Rose water has been used for skin that gives you an instant refreshed look and makes your skin glowy. 1 vitamin E capsule. Vitamin E makes your skin nourished, reduces fine lines, and makes your skin look younger. 2 drops of rose essential oil. Rose essential oil improves the texture of your skin, enhances your complexion, and gives you a radiant glow. Take half a cup of boiled water and add a green tea bag to it. Keep it inside for about 10 to 15 minutes. Once it cools down, remove the tea bag and transfer this green tea water into a spray bottle. Now add half a cup of rose water, 1 vitamin E capsule, and 1 to 2 drops of rose essential oil into it. Mix them well and your DIY green tea toner is ready to use. Spray this toner on your face after cleansing. Use this toner twice a day and you will see amazing results.